above the fridge, you'll find two control panels. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Truma combi boiler control panel. To view the main menu, press the turn switch knob. The four modes that you will be using can be seen just below the activity line. The first icon on the left helps you set the room temperature. The second one lets you choose the hot water level. The third icon is for picking your energy source, and the last one is for venting cool air. To set the room temperature mode, simply turn the switch knob to select the first icon on the left, then press it. To make the motorhome warmer, simply turn the switch knob to the right. Once you've found the perfect temperature, just press the switch knob to confirm your choice. The heating feature will start, and you'll see the flame icon above the activity line start to flash or blink. The next icon is the hot water level menu. There are three options within this menu. Eco, which is 40 degrees Celsius. Hot, which is at 60 degrees Celsius, and Boost, which is rapid heating. You can also return to the main control panel menu by tapping on the back button. The next icon is the energy source menu. Here, you can choose the best energy supply for your combi boiler to fit your needs. Whether you prefer gas for off-grid or unpowered pitches, or electricity, whenever it's available. Before you start using the features on this Truma control panel, it's highly advisable to first connect the motorhome to an external power source, if you have one available. Also, make sure to open the gas valves on both gas tanks and turn on the gas isolators. When you turn the switch knob, you'll notice EL1 and EL2. These are two separate components inside the combi boiler that we typically switch between annually. During your check-in, we'll let you know which EL setting to choose. Mix 1 and Mix 2 is intended for combining gas and electricity. This setting helps increase heating efficiency for both water and your motorhome, especially in colder seasons. Lastly, there's also the gas option. You can choose this if you don't have any electricity available. The final icon you'll see is for the cooling vent. Simply turn the switch knob until that icon starts flashing, and then press the switch knob. Turn the switch knob until you spot the word vent. Press down on the switch button, choose your desired fan speed, and press the switch button again to confirm the change.